Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning the condenser unit of my Miele T250C tumble dryer. At the bottom is a little compartment. You open that up. And then it will have this little lever there. It shows you which way to turn the lever. And then push it out. Wow, look at that. So there's the grill. Look how dusty that is. So this tumble dryer isn't as efficient as it should be with all that dust. So this here should come out. Yep. Another lever there. Turn that up. And then you just push it out. Little handle there. So that definitely needs a good clean. Looks like at the bottom. So I shall just give that a wipe around. It's the vacuum cleaner, and then I shall wipe it down with some warm soapy water. I shall do the same to this end. I shall use the vacuum cleaner first, and then I shall clean it with some warm soapy water. Okay, so I'll just vacuum this to see how much comes off. Not much came off, so I think we shall wash it in some soapy water. So I'll just do this, and I'll do the same with that, give it a good clean, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, once we've cleaned all the fluff and dust off the outside with our warm soapy water, place the condenser unit in a sink or in a bath, because what we need to do now is clean out the internal grills. So the pressure of the water will clean that out for us. Make sure you tip it onto the side. Get all the debris out and dust and fluff. You might be able to do this in the back and use the shower head, get a bit more pressure, more power on the water. Once you're satisfied the condenser unit is all clean, dry it off with a dry cloth, and what I would suggest is leave it 24 hours to air dry before replacing it back to the tumble dryer. They are completely dry after 24 hours. You can just replace everything. Remember to do the catches, and then this one. And then finally, the door to the compartment. That's it. And that is your filter all cleaned and your mealy tumble dryer shall be working more efficiently. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.